Hey guys, it is me Stace. I am back again today with another Toddler Tuesday video. Now today's project does require the help of a grown-up, or the little one can make it with the assistance of a grown-up because we are using a hot glue gun. But today we are playing around with pipe cleaners and making some really cute pipe cleaner critters. Here's one here. This one you can just take it and wrap around your finger, and it can be a finger puppet. How fun is that one? You can also make them be pencil toppers, or even a bookmark like this one is here, and I have that one in a book right there. So super easy and fun. All you need are some pipe cleaners, some pom-poms, and some googly eyes. You can pick all these things up at your Dollar Tree. So the first thing we're going to do is make a pencil topper. So to make a pencil topper, just take a pipe cleaner, fold it in half. We're going to cut it. I'm going to take one end and kind of coil it a little bit, just to give me more room to attach my pom-pom. I think this one will do an orange pom-pom. And again, I am using a hot glue gun. I'm going to plop that on there like that. Now I have different size googly eyes. I think I'll do 2 regular size ones. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on the pom-pom. And come in here and set in my googly eyes. Okay, and then just give them a squish. You can also make this for the little ones as well. I haven't tried like a tacky glue, and I'm sure that would probably work. It would just take a little bit longer to dry. Alright, he is done. Now take it and just wrap around the top of your pencil. Nice and tight, and then just kind of bend his head back like that, and you have a really cute pencil topper. And the fun thing is when they're writing, the googly eyes wiggle. Alright, so we have that one. Let's go to make one that is a finger puppet. So we're going to do the same thing, just kind of take the one of the pipe cleaner and just wrap it around itself a few times to give you a spot to glue that pom-pom onto. The best thing is that the colors don't need to match, which I think is fun. Alright, so this one I think we're going to do one big googly eye. Just plop that on there. How fun, right? Now to make it a finger puppet, all you need to do is take it and just coil it around your finger. Like that, and then get it positioned to where he's in the front. Isn't that cute? And so fun. I love the way they make noises. Alright, we'll do one more. And this is just a regular bookmark. So it's the same idea as all the other ones. Take the end of your pipe cleaner and just kind of coil it a little bit. Okay. And then take your pom-pom. Some glue on the back of that. Let that set up for a minute. And I think this one I have a medium-sized googly eye and a smaller one. All right, let's take this eye, some glue on the back. Okay, you can make a bunch of these and just have them be bookmarks, and then have the little one go to the library or pick out a book in their room. And I think it gets them excited to read, which I do think is a good thing. Look at that one. A big eye and a small eye. Isn't he funny? Alright, so there you have it. A super simple Toddler Tuesday project, just using pipe cleaners. We have a bookmark, a pencil topper, who I think is adorable, and also the finger puppet, like the one-eyed finger puppet. Alright guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.